Want to screen record on Instagram? Here's how to screen record Instagram stories, reels, or posts in 2026 on iPhone and Android. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Before you start, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. We'll use your phone's built-in screen recorder. No extra apps needed. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Navigate to the Instagram story, reel, or post you want to record. Pause it for a moment. Swipe down from the top of your screen to open Control Center on iPhone or Quick Settings on Android. Tap the screen record icon. You may choose to record with or without sound. The recording will start. Go back to Instagram and play the story or video. Everything on your screen will be recorded in real time. When you're done, tap the stop button from the screen recorder. The screen recording is saved automatically to your Photos or Gallery app. Instagram does not notify users when you screen record posts or stories. However, always respect privacy and copyright rules. Turn on Do Not Disturb before recording to avoid notifications in your video. And that's it. That's how to screen record on Instagram in 2026 on iPhone and Android. Subscribe for more Instagram tips.